Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make bhajia za kunde in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. In a bowl, you're going to add in your sorted kundes, which is black-eyed peas. Then you're going to add in some water and soak them for about 1 hour. You'll then let the black-eyed peas to soak for about 1 hour. Then after that, you're going to wash them. And after washing, your black-eyed peas will be like shown. After washing the black-eyed peas, you're going to transfer them in a grinder. Then you're going to add in some salt to taste, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Then you're going to add in about 1 tablespoon of curry powder. And if you also have turmeric, you can also add turmeric on your black-eyed peas. Then you're going to add some fresh coriander leaves. After that, you're going to add in 1 red onion chopped. Then I'm going to add in half bell pepper, which I've cut into pieces. Then I'm going to grind all the mixture until it is smooth. After grinding, your mixture should be as smooth as shown. Then you're going to transfer them in a clean bowl. After that, you're going to let them set for about 2 minutes before starting frying. So you'll use your clean hands, to mold them into balls. Then you're going to fry them until they're crispy on outside and soft on inside. Did I tell you that bhajia za kunde are Swahili snacks which are so common in coastal region of Kenya, and most people cook them for business since they are good source of making money. So you're going to fry them until they are golden brown. And if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And don't forget to follow every step that I've made in this recipe. And just like that, your bhajias will be ready to be served. So you're going to serve with your best chutney or tamarind sauce. As you can see, mine turned out so well and they're so delicious and soft on. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. I wish you all a happy festive season. Until next time, bye.